Arbitrarily detained for 616 days, Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan was scheduled to have his bail hearing for several frivolous politically motivated charges against him on Thursday at the Lahore High Court. Yet, once again, the hearing was postponed. Speaking outside the courthouse, Imran Khan's legal counsel in over 200 cases, Barrister Salman Safdar, stated that better sense should prevail and Imran Khan should be released. He added that all cases against Imran Khan are frivolous and politically motivated and are dismissed when heard by the superior judiciary. The regime in Pakistan is deliberately delaying court hearings in multiple cases to prolong Imran Khan's unjust incarceration. Pakistan's military-backed regime continues to defy the constitution as well as court orders by denying Imran Khan his legal right to meet with his family and party members. Mr. Khan has directed his legal team to approach the Supreme Court to secure his fundamental rights. He's routinely denied meetings with family members, phone calls with his children, and weekly meetings with aides, all of which are allowed under the jail manual. On Thursday, leader of the opposition, Umar Khan, and other elected members of the parliament were denied their court-mandated meeting with Imran Khan. Speaking outside the Diyala jail, Umar Khan said that a colonel who is in charge of the high-security prison denies party members their meetings with Mr. Khan in accordance with a deliberate plan so Imran Khan's PTI cannot formulate a political strategy. Umar Khan added that Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf will file a contempt petition against Diyala jail authorities who were involved in defying court orders by refusing the party leaders their right to consult with their founding chairman. Earlier in the week, Imran Khan's sisters were also not allowed to meet with him and were detained for hours only to be dropped off at a remote location. Rallies took place across Pakistan, marking 3 years since the regime change operation that overthrew Imran Khan's democratically elected government. It was on April 9th, 3 years ago, that the movement to restore democracy began, when the people of Pakistan came out on the streets all over Pakistan to protest the coup. Despite facing severe oppression, people braved the streets, registering their protest at their mandate being stolen repeatedly, depriving them of a leadership of their choice. Pakistanis have vowed that they would not forget the regime change of April 9, 2022, and will continue to struggle for true democracy. Medical sources told Al Jazeera that at least 30 Palestinians were killed in Israeli attacks across Gaza since dawn on Thursday, and there were reports of new attacks and casualties. Meanwhile, World Health Organization Chief Tedros Ghebreyesus has warned of more disease and deaths due to the Israeli occupation forces' blockade of aid entering Gaza, where more than 10,000 people need medical evacuation abroad. On Thursday, Israel bombed one of Gaza's only operational water desalination plants that was supplying clean drinking water to the Strip. Many Palestinians now fear dying of thirst before being killed in the ongoing bombardment.